Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a video with this AI called Ally.io.
So you can see how cool that video actually was right there. And that video were actually created with this particular AI tool called Ally.io. And this is quite cool and amazing right now because this is an amazing AI tool which you could actually go on to creating videos right here from just script. You can actually go on to building an AI video with a presenter in minutes without actually using a camera right here. And I'm actually going to show you how you can actually utilize this particular platform to go on to actually making money with this platform right here called CPAgrip. So we're actually going to be exploring a very cool and amazing strategy which you can actually use to make money online. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to go on to registering for this platform called CPAgrip, and you want to make sure you do actually go on to creating a simple account right here by clicking on register. If you don't have one, you'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately, focus more on the fields with this red asterisk sign, and you can then just simply go on to checking these boxes out to agree that you do actually accept the terms and conditions of this particular website and click on register. If you do that, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. So guys, right now I'm actually logged into my account right here, and what I actually did is go on to the offer tools section and click on my offers, which brought me to a page such as this where I actually went on to filtering offers to the United States demographic right now, so that I can actually go on to selecting offers from this demographic. But I'm just going to go on to selecting a random offer right now to actually you do this particular strategy. So if I just select this offer, you can see that this offer is actually for you to go on to installing and using the Apple application right here. You can actually see that this is actually an Apple iOS offer and a mobile install offer. The payout to this offer is about 89 cents right here, and you can actually copy the link to this offer to go on to promoting this offer. So basically what you want to do right now is to go on to creating a landing page for this particular offer using any landing page builder site out there. You can use the breezy.io, the Systemy, the Google site, or any other landing page builder site to create a simple landing page and link this offer to that. Once you do that guys, you want to just simply go on to creating a promotional video which you can actually use to promote your that particular CPA marketing offer using this AI tool called the Ally.io. So once you do head onto this platform, you will actually do go on to, maybe if you want to know more details about the pricing plan of this platform, click on pricing and you'll be brought to this page. You want to just simply see that you do have access to a free account, but you only do have 1 minute free credit to actually go on to using. But you could register for either the basic account, the advanced, or the custom plan right now. And if you do actually register for one, go on to logging into your account. As you can see right here, I'm logged into my account. So actually go on to creating a simple video on this platform, you want to come right here, click on create video, and if you do that, you want to select either one of these options, either from the template, from with an avatar, from the AI storyboard, the URL, or the PowerPoint to video right now. I'm just going to create the AI storyboard video, and if I do that right now, I'm going to click on get started. I want to select the template which I want to use. Basically, I'm just going to use this template right now. As you can see, these are actually the templates that are actually in this single one right here. So if I do click on create video right now, my video generation is actually in progress, of which I will be brought to this page. I can actually do select how I want my scene to be shown right now via this section. Maybe I want to just simply select this right here, and I'm just going to go on to inserting a header, a speech which I want this AI to actually go on to saying, like the video which you actually saw earlier. And I'm just going to go on to maybe using this particular AI tool called ChatGPT to generate a script for me. And this is a previous script which I generated with ChatGPT right there on an article on benefits of education right now. So if I do go on to maybe copying this title of the article right now, I'm just going to copy this right here. If I copy that particular title, I'm going to head back to that particular platform, Ally.io, and I'm just going to paste that in right here in this particular section. Once that has actually been pasted, as you can see, that has actually been pasted right in here. Next, you want to go on to inserting a speech, and I'm just going to head back to ChatGPT and just simply copy this introduction only to actually use that in this particular section. So I'm just, so as not to waste much of our time, I'm just going to copy this introduction only. And if I do copy that right here, I'm going to head back to that particular page, paste in that right in there, that is in that particular speech section. Once that has actually been pasted, as you can see, it actually did split that particular script into various scenes right now, but you can actually do leave that as it is. So right now guys, as you can see, this is actually a one page or one scene video right now. I'm just going to go onto this particular section and click on convert to slide. If I do that right here, I can then just simply go into editing details about this particular video right now. I can actually do see right here that this is how the page is actually going to look like. I could go into editing where I want my avatar to be. You can see right here that this is actually where the text actually is. So you could actually go into editing this yourself to actually make that look quite cooler. You could increase the size, increase the font size, and increase some details about that right here. You can see that this is what this AI is actually going to go on to saying right here. So you can actually go into editing this section also. You could add in pauses, you could mark some sections, and you could actually go on to changing how you want this particular AI voice over to actually be. You could see different accents which you could go on to selecting from, select some cool accents, and actually go on to using that right now. So you could actually then go on to maybe this particular section right here called avatar to actually change the avatar which you want to use. There are various avatars which you can actually go on to using right now, and you can see how amazing they actually do look. So you could go on to maybe adding some cool text right here. If you want to add in text, you could go on to adding elements such as images, videos, stickers, and GIFs, and maybe lotties right here using this particular platform. And you could then just simply, maybe if you want to upload some cool stuff which you want to use, you could upload that. You could actually record, add animation, music, and change the template of your choice right here. So make sure you do go on to playing around with this section and create something quite cool and amazing. You could also select the aspect ratio which you want to use for your video right now. Create some cool stuff right now, and once you're done, just simply go on to clicking on render right here, and you can actually start rendering this particular video, which you can actually do go on to downloading this video on your device right now. So once you do download this video on your device, the next thing which you want to do is to actually go on to promoting that particular video on social media platforms. But before you do promote that video, make sure that just for your CPA marketing offer which you want to promote right there, you actually write a cool call to action and insert that into that video also. As you can see right now, I actually wrote a call to action right here for this particular offer right here, and you can see the call to action says ready to earn reward for sharing your opinions. Install and use the Atapool app today. Join a thriving community of opinion shapers and start making your voice count. Download now and make a difference while earning. Don't miss out on this right now. So you could actually add in a cool call to action right here and actually do maybe ask this AI tool to actually say in the description of the video. So right here guys, you can see this is an easy call to action right here which says ready to go and ready to earn and go. Install the Atapool app right now. Your opinion matters, and see the reward right here. Download it today. Put in the app link right there, and you want to just simply direct them that you are actually directing them to the description of your video right now, or the first comment section, or the bio of your account. Make sure you do add in something cool that is actually directing them to stuff like that. And if you do add that or incorporate that in this particular video right now, and once you do actually do that, this particular AI is actually going to direct them to do so. You can then download your video and actually go on to promoting your video on social media platforms like Facebook right here. You want to search for Facebook groups, which you can actually go on to promoting that right now. Maybe you can just simply search for make money online groups. And if I do search for make money online groups right now, you can actually do see a lot of online groups right here that are actually interested in making money. Go on to such groups, posting that particular video, and make sure guys that the link to this particular CPA marketing offer or the landing page which you did create for that CPA marketing offer is available to them in the description of that video once you do upload that video right there. If you are using platforms like Twitter right now, make sure that it's in the description of that particular video right there, and do make sure you use that right now, because if you do use that, you will be able to go on to getting a lot of traffic to such kinds of CPA marketing offers and actually start earning a lot of money. So this is an easy strategy which I advise you do go on to using right now and make a lot of money online. So I do hope this video has been of help to you. If you do have any question, leave that in the comment section down below right now. And guys, do go on to smashing the like button to this video, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. So see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.